Hello everybody, I'm here with another video. In my last video I fixed a floppy drive, and in this one I'm going to fix a little mild problem with my VIC-20 here. It works completely fine. It's just a problem that's a little harder to spot immediately, but you can kind of see it here. When I move that, it's not really supposed to be doing that, so I'm going to attempt to fix that. I believe I know what the issue is, and it should be pretty easy to fix. So let me flip this over here. I can start dismantling it. First I need to find a screwdriver. There we go. I just love how easy these old computers are to take apart. 3 screws, you flip it open like a car hood, and you're in. This is the later revision of the VIC-20, as you'll see here in a second. If you haven't noticed, it's got the rainbow label. It has the C64 style power plug on it. And you'll see it has the short board in there. All the screws are out. The case should basically just fly open at this point. Round up my screws so I don't completely lose them. All got caught in my keyboard. And here we go. We're inside. Really quick stuff here. Whoops. Whoops, I immediately forgot to unplug the power LED before taking the keyboard out of here. Move that off to the side here. And I will unscrew here, these mounting brackets for holding the board in the case, because that's the problem here. On my Commodore 64, actually, I took it apart off camera because I was it had the beginnings of what this thing had. Because what I'm assuming happened is that up here, you can kind of see the screw rattling around when I'm playing with it. It has these little plastic standoffs in the bottom of the case, and over time, that gets brittle, causing it to crack and stuff. And then it disconnects completely, which is the problem with the board in that corner. My assumption would be that cartridges being moved in and out could weaken the plastic over time because it's putting stress over in this corner of the board. So once I get the board removed, I will fix it. Okay, so I've gotten the motherboard removed, and my suspicion has been confirmed. That is broken plastic on the standoff here, causing the screw not to, screw things. So I will go remove that standoff. Luckily, I still have the bit. Hopefully, I can screw it back in. I'm gonna have to clean up that little area of the motherboard right there as well. So I will get that removed because I need more than one hand and I don't have a tripod. Okay, now that I got the standoff put into place here, I will add a little dollop of glue where it needs to go. Just add a little tiny bit like that. Just place this in here. I need to be careful not to glue my fingers in. And now, the boring part. We wait. And after that, I'm just going to throw the computer back together and, call it fixed. Because I did this as a future-proofing on my C64 because some of these standoffs are cracking and I didn't want them to break off. So I went and did that there. Not too exciting here. I'm going to call the problem fixed unless more of these standoffs break, in which I will fix those. I'm going to call that a wrap end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.